is Ibrahim Lazuardi Bara. I am from grade 6A. Okay, I will show you how to make an orange juice. First of all, the ingredients are I have sweet orange, 50 ml water, 20 ml sugar water, and some ice cup. The equipment I have blender, spoon, knife, and glass. Step 1. Peel the sweet orange. Then remove the sheet. Next, put the sweet orange, water, and sugar water into blender. After that, blend all the ingredients for 2 minutes. Then, prepare a glass. Put some ice cups into glass. And pour the juice into glass. Finally, the blended original orange juice is ready to serve. Okay guys, let's try. It's delicious and healthy. This is very easy guys, and you can try. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.